I'll never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you.
So let's jump right in. Today we're making sizzling chicken and cheese. The first thing I start off with is my potatoes. I love to peel fresh potatoes. They give you the best flavor. And y'all see me struggling with this knife, right? Like, what in the world? These potatoes had me struggling. Then I remember I had a potato peeler. Honey, I was tripping before, but I'm good now. Skin about to glide right off these potatoes. I don't usually cut off all the skin. I just usually cut off the parts that are kind of rough looking. Some of them spots on the potatoes look ringy and dingy. And then I come in with my chicken bouillon and I put that into the water just to boil my potatoes to give it a little extra added flavor. And you always need to, do this to taste. Put as much or as little as you would like. Next, we're gonna do our peppers. Just, slice them up like so. And look how pretty that looks. I mean, those colors, just beautiful. And it's gonna give your food such great flavor. Then you just, fry them up, sizzle them up a little bit until they get the little grill marks on them. And as I go along, you'll start to see the grill marks. And I just put a little butter in the pan and just saute them until they're soft. You see those grill marks right there? That's what you're looking for. That's the color. That's like the perfect color. And by that point, they're going to be the perfect flavor and they're going to take your food to the next level. Then next, we're going to season up our chicken breast, the star of the meal. So I like to rub my seasoning in really, really good, just so it gets into all the nooks and the crannies of the chicken, because when you add seasoning to every part of the chicken, oh, it's just so delicious. And just look, when you see that color on that chicken from that seasoning, that lets you know that that's nothing but pure flavor and deliciousness. Trust me, season your chicken heavily, guys. Season it. And see, look, I'm going in with more seasoning. You never can have enough seasoning. And this is not salt, guys. I don't use a ton of salt in my food, as you can see. This is just, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a few other seasonings that, of course, will be listed in the description below. Next, we're going in with the butter. And guys, I always use Kerigold butter. That's my favorite kind of butter. Unless I'm doing like a seafood boil, and then I change it. Then you go in, you get your chicken in the pan, and you get it cooking. Now, I just add a little olive oil in there as well. Then once your chicken gets done, you're going to go ahead and start spreading your cheese. And then I do my cheese in intervals. So I put down a little bit, and then I kind of just gauge, where it's going to go, because less is more, guys. This cheese is going to get all sizzly, and it's going to get all ooey and gooey, and it's going to get... It's going to get into all the crevices. I don't know how y'all stove set up, but I had to keep turning and turning my pan till it got sizzly all over. Okay, and then next we're going to come in and lay down the peppers. And I didn't show it on camera, but I scoop my potatoes with an ice cream scoop. That's how I get them perfect and round how they are. And in the black pot, I have my broccoli cooking as well. You're not going to see that on camera either, but that's what I like to pair all of my meals with. And there you guys have it, the sizzling chicken and cheese. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.